Today we're going to make Pav Bhaji. So this is actually an Indian street food. It's an amalgamate of various kind of vegetables with masala, and at the end they serve on this toasted butter buns. To me, it's like a very casual affair, and I like to serve this at home, usually as a one-pot meal. Today we're going to just quickly steam the carrots, potato, and cauliflower. It's amazing how these common ingredients, right, across different cuisine, but the end product is so different. Just because the way they present it and a little bit of variation on the spices. This is going to steam and smash, so the shape doesn't really matter. I'm going to wash them and I'm going to put it in the steamer. So one thing I like about Indian cooking is you can cook and prep at the same time, because each step actually requires a longer time than, let's say, compared to Chinese cooking. Chinese cooking is much more cooking on the spot and right before the guest comes. The sound! So we're aiming for not brown, but soft and translucent. So I use this big chili. The seeds are actually the biggest spice source. So if you don't want it too spicy, take out the seeds. And the bigger the chili, the less spicy it is. So I have onion, green chili, green peas, and then capsicum. A very vegetable-friendly dish, no? So I'm going to put a little bit of this passata just to enhance the tomatoes taste a little bit more. Okay, so the garnishing for this, very simple but adds a lot of difference, is the raw red onion, lime juice, and fresh cilantro. All right, the steamed vegetables are done. Mash it. A lot of vegetables. That's why vegetarian food are not boring in India. So I'm adding it slowly, batch by batch. Easier for me to stir them together. I like the fact that it has cauliflower and also carrots. That gives it more texture than just the mashed potato. I wanted the things when I serve it to be not flowy, but neither do I want it to be flowing off the bread. It's good to give it some nice fat. So I'm going to put some butter. So ready to serve, the last step, which is a very important step, is to make a buttery toast bun. I love to toast it on a hot pan with butter. You want the bun to soak up all the butter. This is a very important step. So you're looking for this brown consistency. You see it starts with brown. Keep feeding butter. This is how I would normally serve it. Basically, I have a lot of these canteen plates. I'll give each my boys and the guests one each, and then they can just help themselves. And then this is how I would normally eat it. You take a bun, then you put this on top. I love onion, squeeze some. Have a bite. Soft toasty bun with a crunchy onion, flavorful masala curry. Perfect.